I'm Emily Cappiello with the Gourmet Insider, and I'm here at RGNY in Riverhead, New York, and we're gonna take a Wine 101 class. Let's learn how to sip like the pros. I'm here with Lilia Pérez. She's the winemaker at RGNY in Riverhead, New York, and she's gonna walk us through some of her really beautiful wines today.
So I got here four wines, a white Merlot, a Rosé, Cabernet Franc, and a Tinto. So we're gonna go starting with whites and then finish with a nice red.
So
okay?
that's kind of the best way to do it, right? Go from your lighter wines all the way into your darker wines?
Yes,
okay.
That's it. That's the best way. Normally, if we had a sparkling wine, we would start with sparkling. There's 4 steps in how to taste wine like a pro, okay? So we call it the 4 S's technique. So the first step is to see the wine.
Yes.
And then we swirl the wine, then we smell it, and then we taste it. So that's the 4 steps in summary. Why do we see the wine? We see the wine to see the color first, then be clear if it's no bubbles, no sediments, nothing that we don't like by the eyes. Also, in case of a red, for example, it will help us to determine which grape variety. Sometimes, for example, a Pinot Noir, it's normally a lighter color, and a Malbec or a Carmener are really like strong colored. Second step. So let's bring our glass to, before doing the second step actually, bring it here to your navel.
Okay.
And let's see if you can actually smell something from there. Can you?
From here? No.
No. Okay. bring it to your chin. Something, right?
Oh, yeah.
Bring it really to your chin.
Oh,
you
like
can,
really?
Yeah.
How far is my chin, guys?
There. Yeah, right there. Okay. You can smell something,
yeah, you
right?
can smell it. Yeah.
Okay. So if you cannot really smell anything, then you bring it to your nose.
Oh, really?
Okay. So that that tells us it's the aroma intensity of the wine. Okay. If you smell it from here, it would be high intensity, medium intensity, low intensity. Okay.
Okay.
So I would say this is like a medium-low intensity because you start smelling the aromas from here.
From there.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's swirl the second
swirl.
step. Swirl. You can do it like this.
Oh,
or
I'm like such an
just
aggressive
to,
swirler.
Yeah, to avoid accidents, you can do it in the table. So why do we swirl the glass? We swirl the glass to release aromas out. Okay. We want to bring it then to our nose and smell. Third step. What aromas can you find there?
It definitely smells citrusy.
Yeah, there's some citrus, some peachy aromas.
Yeah, I smell a lot of peach.
Right? Let's taste it.
Yeah, it's my favorite part.
So a tip here. When you sip the wine, and especially if it's your first wine, it's good to have a little sip and pass it all over your palate. The second sip is the one that you can evaluate and say, okay, I like or not the wine, and you can actually see level of sweetness, level of acidity, level of alcohol.
Yep.
Right?
Thank you for all of your fun tips.
Yeah.
Super excited to go try them out on all of my friends. They're all gonna think I'm crazy. They already do. But yeah, thank you so much.